There's nothing I love more than being able to host my friends and family outside in our beautiful garden. And one thing I really love doing is serving up some interesting sides and starters. And this one ticks those boxes.
It's grilled peaches and burrata.
We're going to start off by taking our half-ripe peaches, removing the stone and rubbing them with oil and salt and pepper. Pop onto a hot grill and cook on both sides until you see those scorch marks. Chuck them onto a bed of washed rocket and top with your beautiful burrata. The best cheese known to mankind. If you haven't had burrata, go now. Go to the shops now and buy one and thank me a million times later. To a blender, add in a handful of basil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, season with a touch of salt and pepper and blitz into a dressing. And this is more than enough to serve 2 people as a main or 4 people as a side. Think of that creaminess with the sweetness with the zing. It's just working so well together. Just a feast for the eyes as well as your taste buds.